Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day out there. It's Ron Newsbaum. I'm the founder of BuilderComs, and what I'm going to show you today is how you can keep your investors in the loop and out of your hair while you're flipping a house by utilizing BuilderComs. So what we do is we make sure everybody's on the same page, and we have flippers that are using our software, and it is a great use case. And that's why I want to show you today the power of what we're doing. So let's go into projects. And when you look at these projects, look at this. This is here. Here's all your houses that you have flips going on. You have investors. Let's go right in here. They want to be kept up to date on what's happening. You don't want to talk to them all the time. You got things you need to be doing. You can't be sending pictures. You can't be doing all this stuff all the time. So having a place where you can just keep this information, you can assign your project manager or that guy on the job site to be updating pictures right in here in real time, or just saying, hey, here's where we're at. Well, you can jump in here, directly put messaging in the channels, the schedule. All of this stuff keeps your investors up to date, and all they do is just download the app. And it's as easy as that to create that relationship with your investors. We start documenting all the pictures, any documents you want to put in here. You want to throw a video up on that project right here in this project overview, throw a video up there. So within 2 clicks, your investors can see what's happening on every project. Wouldn't it be nice to be known as the guy or the girl that delivers the information they want? Like, this is how you continue to get funding. This is how a project continues to move on, and you never have to worry about how am I getting the financing or the funding, because you build a relationship with your investors that's better than anybody else in the business. Feel free to reach out to me, team@buildercoms.com. Go to buildercoms.com, check out what we're doing. And I'm telling you, this is going to revolutionize how you keep your investors up to date on your properties. Have a great day.